Guys, happy new year. Hope you guys are doing fine. Banag, there's something I've seen online today that really got my attention. I don't like sounding like a motivational speaker, but when something touches me, I feel like sharing it. So someone had an accident, and he happens to have had a divorce maybe like a year ago. And then his ex came online and celebrated it. Like, we all know what happens before, like by the time someone gets to have a divorce with, their husband or wife, we know that it's probably been hell to the point that they can't stay together anymore, right? But can you hate someone so much to the extent that you lose your humanity? That you lose that side of you that connects to empathy, So when I saw that post, it reminded me of the very many posts I see on the internet. Like when someone dies or when someone is unwell, there's a new trend where people just come online and celebrate it. Because maybe they don't like the person. I just feel terrible that this is a trend that we're dealing with in this generation. Because what is happening at your neighbor's house can actually happen to you. It can come to your house anytime. Ebizibu tebiriko oba oli Uganda, oba oli mu America, oba oli Nigeria, tebiriko kintu, tebiriko myaka, ebizibu bya buli omu. So when we celebrate someone nga ayina kyayitamu, what does that say about us? What does that say about what's going on inside our heads? What's going on inside our hearts? I think it says more about who we really are on the inside than what's really happening to that person. It's just a trend that worries me, to be honest. Because we can have different beliefs. We can have different political beliefs. We can have different thoughts. We can have all kinds of beliefs that may not be the same. We may have fallen out with someone even, but when something bad happens to them, that is the time when you become human. Nosoka noteka kubali ekintu oba kyeyakukola oba sente zo zeyatwala n'atakusasula nokola kino mubeererawo when they need you. Anyway, I just wanted to share because it really, really scares me where we're going with that. I don't know what that will be 10 years down the road. If right now someone dies and people come online and celebrate it. If someone is unwell, people come online and celebrate it. Because you don't know what's going to come to your home tomorrow. You have no idea. So why do we celebrate people? Why do we celebrate when people are going through a rough time? Why do we do that? I'm just sharing, man. I hope I'm not sounding like a motivational speaker, because that's not what I am. Kale, have a lovely day and happy new year again. Bagalanyo.